Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to teach strategies for multiplying multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. Now, let's take a look what we have here. Okay, so we have 20 times 600. So what we should do with it? So 20 is what? Is 2 times 10, right? And 600 is what? 6 times 100, right? So basically we got 2 times 10, which is 20, and times 6 times 100 there, right? Which is 600. So the next step we're gonna do there is we are going to switch the orders, right? So immediately we'll have 2 times 6, okay, 2 is 6, right? 2 times 6 first, and then calculate the 10 times 100, okay, first, right? And then put those results together, okay? So at this step, we would need to know, okay, something very basic. So 10 times 10 is what? Equals to 100, right? 100. And we got what? 10 times 100 equals to what? Equals to 1000, right? 1000. And we're going to have what? 100 times 100, okay, and equals to what? How many zeros we've got? So let's see the pattern there. We got 10 times 10, so we got 0 here, 1 0, 2 0, so we got 2 zeros there. Okay, we got 1 0, 10 times 100, we got 1 0 there, 2 0 there, so we got 3 zeros there, right? So, and then now we got 100 times 100, which will have 2 zeros there, 2 zeros there, so actually we'll have what? 1 with 4 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Which is what? Which is 10,000 there we have, okay? So besides that, let's put this apart. So besides that, so we have here, what we have here, 2 times 6, it's 12, right? So that's 12. And 10 times what? 100 is, again here, we have 1000, right? So that means 12 times 1000 there, which is 12,000, right? So 12,000. Okay, so again, let's take a look back. So we have 20 with 1 0 there and 600 with 2 zeros there, right? So when we got 2 times 6 first, and then which equals to what? Equals to 12. And we have 1, 2, 3, and 3 zeros there, which is 1000. And basically we got 12 with 3 zeros in the end. Okay. Let's take a look at our second example. All right, so this time we have 300 times 700. Okay, so what we gonna do with that? So we have 3, we have 7, right? So 100. So basically we're going to do the same. So 300 equals what? 3 times 100, and 700 equals to what? 7 times 100, right? So the next step is immediately we're gonna switch the orders as what we've done in our previous example. We have 3 times 7 first, okay, 3 times 7, and 100 times 100, all right? So 3 times 7 equals to what? Equals to 21, right? And then 100 times 100 we have here, right? So 100 times 100, we got 1 0 0 0 0, 1 with 4 zeros, which is 10,000, okay? So and immediately we'll have what? 21 times 10,000 is 210,000. Okay. So again, let's look back. So 3 times 7. Okay, we got 21 there. We got 21 here. And then the zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 2 zeros there, 2 zeros there. We got total 4 zeros. So 4 zeros, we can see it here, and we can see it at the end of calculation. We can see it here. So that's 210,000 there. So let's take a look at our third example there. So, we got what? 4,000 times 8,000. So what we are going to do, right? So we can do step by step as what we've done before, right? But in your mind, you should think about it, that we have what? We have 4 there, we have 8 there, we have 3 zeros, we have 3 zeros here, right? So you can think, maybe calculate it from your head, right? So we got 4 times 8, right? 4 and 8, which is 32, right? So just in case if you think how I can calculate it so quickly with my mind, you should probably take a look back of my previous video of the multiplication tables. Okay, so again, let's get back to this. We got 4 times 8, which is 32. And then how many zeros? Okay, 32 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, right? So probably we got 32 and then 6 zeros following that number. All right, so let's take a look at the steps. Okay, so to see if that's correct, what I've just calculated in my mind, right? So we got 4 times 1,000, 8 times 1,000. Okay, so that's good, right? So that's good. So, and then the next step, let's switch the orders. 4 times 8. Okay, 1,000 times 1,000. All right, so that's how many zeros? That's, we got 1 with 6 zeros. That's what? So that is 1 million, right? So here we have 32, of course. Let me get the next step. So we got 32 there, and 1 with 6 zeros, that's thousands, and that's 1 million, right? So that's 1 million. Okay, so immediately we have what? 32 follows by 6 zeros, as I mentioned at the beginning. So what we have at the end of it, right? So we have 32 million. Okay, so again, 4 times 8, which is 32, and 6 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, together is 6 zeros. We got here, and we have here 6 zeros. Okay, that's 32 million. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.